Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Chrome extension in mobile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Google Chrome does not natively support extensions on mobile devices, Android or iOS. However, there are workarounds if you're on an Android. So we can go ahead and download and install Kiwi browser or the Yandex browser. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go to my Play Store and search for Yandex browser. So here it is here, so I'm going to download and install this. Now once it downloads and installs, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Alright, so I'm going to click open. Then from here I'm going to go ahead and click on get started. I'm going to allow. Alright, I'm going to go to the Chrome web store.google.com. Then from here, search for your extension you'd like to install. So for example, if I want to use, I'm going to search for Google Translate, and I'm going to go ahead and install this onto my browser. So from here, I'm just going to zoom out and then click on to add to Chrome here. And then it says add Google Translate. So I'm going to click on add extension. Give that a few moments to download and install onto your browser. Now while this is downloading and installing, if you want to go ahead and look at all your extensions, just click on the three dots near the URL, scroll down, and then if we scroll down we can see extensions. We can see all of our extensions are going to appear inside of here.